In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a message in the ChatGPT app on iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab any message you need and paste it wherever you want, quickly and reliably. First, open the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. You'll land on your recent conversations. If you are already using the app, make sure you're in the conversation that contains the message you want. If not, return to the conversation list, then open the chat where the message appears. Give the app a second to load everything, especially if it's a long thread. Next, find the exact message you want to copy. Scroll through the conversation until you see it. It helps to glance at the surrounding messages so you're sure you've got the right one, especially if there are multiple similar responses. If the thread is very long, you can quickly swipe and then slow down as you approach the part of the conversation you need. Now tap and hold directly on the message bubble you want to copy. Don't just tap, press and hold for a brief moment until a small menu appears. You'll feel a subtle vibration or see the menu pop up on screen. If nothing appears, try pressing a little longer, or make sure you're pressing on the text itself rather than the empty space around it. Be precise here. Holding on the exact message helps the app bring up the right options. When the menu appears, tap Copy. This places the entire message onto your iPhone's clipboard exactly as it appears in the app. From here, you can move to any other app, like Notes, Mail, or Messages, and paste it wherever you need. If you only need a portion of the text, some versions of the app let you adjust a selection before copying. If you see selection handles, drag them to highlight just the part you want, then copy. If you copy the wrong message by mistake, simply repeat the same press and hold action on the correct one and tap Copy again to replace what's on your clipboard. That's all there is to it. Open the ChatGPT app, locate the message, tap and hold to bring up the menu, and tap Copy. This simple technique works well for saving answers, sharing key points, or keeping important details for later. As a quick tip, always double check what you paste to make sure it's the message you intended, and avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information when you paste it elsewhere.